Draw a circle template and divide it into 5 pieces like a pie. First, stitch the 5 spikes using a straight line stitch. Woven rose stitch is made up of 2 parts, the spokes and the weaving around them. The spokes are created with straight stitches, and must be odd in number for continuous weaving. Bring your needle up near the center. It doesn't matter which section you start in. Then just start weaving over and under each of those 5. Continue weaving around and around until you have completely covered your template. Use at least 6 strands for the woven wheel. If you use less, it won't be as plump and it will take you twice as long to finish your stitch. There's a lot of weaving and very little moving in and out of your fabric, so it's okay to use a bit longer thread than you normally use for other stitches. Still, keep the length manageable so you don't end up with a tangled mess. Weaving proceeds in a spiral from center to out, needle and thread going over, under, around and around to the outside. The beauty of a rose flower made using the woven rose stitch is just a sight to see. This stitch has become popular with hoop art artists because of its simplicity and elegance. You can make bigger or smaller flowers using just this stitch and add a dimension to it. It is woven more than it is stitched, and it is one of the easiest ways to add some plumpness to your embroidery project. It is a popular stitch for creating round flowers that stand out.